Hi, this is Ozioma Precious, and what I have here is a PDF copy of Nwamma written by Ogbonnaya Mark Okoro. So we'll be reading few, the first paragraph. Isi nke mbụ, nwata ruo n'igbe na Odenigbo. A maara Maazị Obiekwe dịka onye ọrụ ugbo ma nke ekwe na-akụ. Ọ na-arụsi ọrụ ike iji hụ na owu bara n'anya aga. Ọ na-arụsi ọrụ ike ma bụrụ onye ji ezi omume yiri isi. Ọ bụ ihe ndị a ka ndị mmadụ ji wee hụ ya n'anya maka na onye ogologo anaghị ezo ezo n'anya. Okay? So, n'Odenigbo, meaning in Odenigbo, a maara Maazị Obiekwe dịka onye ọrụ ugbo ma nke ekwe na-akụ. That's Maazị Obiekwe is known as a farmer that knows the latest, that knows what is happening, that knows something of that nature. That's this man nke ekwe na-akụ. Ọ na-arụsi ọrụ ike iji hụ na owu bara n'anya aga. He works very hard to make sure he is able to maintain his lifestyle. Ọ na-arụsi ọrụ ike ma bụrụ onye ji ezi omume yiri isi. So he works so hard and is also the kind of person that uses good character as pillow. That's to say he's an upright person. Ọ bụ ihe ndị a ka ndị mmadụ ji wee hụ ya n'anya. This is why people love him. Maka na onye ogologo anaghị ezo ezo n'anya. Now this is an Igbo idiom. Maka na onye ogologo, that's someone who is tall, does not hide in the market. That's to say, if you are doing something extraordinary, people will notice you. That's what this idiom means. So in our upcoming Igbo reading class, this is the novel we'll be reading, Nwamma. And how we'll be reading this? We'll be reading this like as though you're a child. You know, the way we read readers in our primary one. I say a word and you say it after me, and we'll mark out new words, explain the meaning of the new words, and how to make other sentences with such words. So if you are the kind of person that you are an intermediary Igbo learner, that's if intermediary Igbo learner is someone from my own definition anyway, is someone that already knows has up to 1,500 Igbo vocabulary in your that already has knows up to 1,500 Igbo vocabulary, and you can make simple sentences in Igbo, but you want to be fluent in Igbo, or you're the kind of person that you you understand Igbo, but you can't speak and you can't read, neither can you write, then this class is for you. This class is not for basic beginners. If you have not acquired up to 1,000 Igbo vocabulary, you don't know how to make some basic sentences, you don't know how to express some actions in Igbo, this class definitely is not for you. So if you want to be fluent, you want to improve your Igbo speaking, acquire more Igbo words, and learn how to read and write Igbo, then this Igbo reading class is for you. This is the book we'll be reading, Nwamma, and how we'll be doing it is such that, like if I say no Odenigbo, you say it after me, and pronunciation, that's we'll be looking at your pronunciation of words to make sure that you are able to pronounce the word rightly. Not just that, we'll be looking at keywords so that you'll be able to know how to make use of those words to make other sentences on your own. And our assignment will also be looking at writing, because you'll be given an assignment within the week that you have to submit within the week that will be focused on your writing of the Igbo language. So basically what we are focusing on this Igbo reading class is your reading ability to read, improve your reading ability, improve your pronunciation of Igbo words, and as well help you acquire more Igbo vocabulary and be able to make use of it in other sentences. So if you want to become fluent in Igbo, then you should join our Igbo reading class. Check the comment section for details.